represented Mozambique 23 times with his national caps for the squad. He'll be on the bench for this campaign as he looks to lead the Mambas to glory. We're up and away as South Africa kicks us off. They're starting the game in a yellow attack, which is a line. Good touch from the Tejana. Did well to bring it down, looking to try and find Buns. Does well, withstands the challenge, whips right into the box, does Buns. Then pound for pound with Abadala. And Sumani is not able to keep it in play. Sumbani. Look at that shoulder charge rather, from Abdallah. Just couldn't get the better. Allowed to bounce. Now ball into the box. Keeper doesn't deal with it very well. Wow. Tame strike from Batista Francisco. Should have put power behind it. It's the bounce of the ball that beat Mbanja. Ball bouncing the defense. Victor Letsoalo, can he strike from there? Opts to buy himself time and allow his teammates to come through around. Opportunity for Bafana Bafana off the crossbar. Barnes keeps it alive. Somebody needs to take responsibility, not the best of shots. The Tejana. He'll look to try and probe. Barnes. Coming matters. The Tejana, he's got trickery, he's got pace about him. And continue what he started. Sibilibili to Barnes. Sibilibili again. Looking to cut on the inside. Sibilibili. The Tejana, can he turn and score? Oh, shot eventually coming through from Kabila Zamini. Not the best of strikes from him. We know what he can do with that left foot of his. Yes. That second corner. Zamini to deliver. In swing at this time into the area. Wow. Two players going for it. Both missing it. The last to miss it was Aiden McCarthy. Victor Letsoalo hit the near post, is the one that missed it first. Well, three players that could have buried that opportunity. Emil corner as well. And recently, with Kaizer Chiefs reserve team in the DDC. Tejana. Oh, another one, of the DSTV. The Diski Challenge graduates in the Betway Premiership in the colors of TS Galaxy. Great interchange of passes on the near side. For what they come, looking to get some pace going. Oh, collision with the goalkeeper. But Mbanja, he's an experienced campaigner. Got onto his bike, did Chireni, showing us exactly what he's really capable of. Kapemuralo, not able to find the juicy spot. He's getting away from target, up and over to Coach Velakumalo. Timing it perfectly. And South Africa on the other end, looking to launch an attack of their own. Barnes brought down. Nothing, says the referee. Play on. Let the play continue. Looks to be a slight bit of pain in Sanele Barnes. But Mozambique keep the ball alive. They can try and penetrate and take over. Barnes, lovely cut back. Tejana. Oh, this time ever close. This time very close, narrowly. Goes over the crossbar from Puso di Tejana. Puso. Rula. Di Tejana. He's really hold on to it as Abadala. Now opportunity for Shirin. Cut back, opportunity! Oh, Shwasha! On goal of Puso di Tejana. It's the Mambas that strike first. On transitional play, they draw first blood in this encounter. Right place to defend. Facing the wrong way, couldn't deal with that ball. Came off the crossbar. Goalkeeper beaten hands down. Knew exactly what he wanted to do. Was Sumbane combining with Cherino's pass. And Puza seems to have gotten the final request. And check is complete. Check is complete. Yeah, the goal won't stand. Malala. It will be a straight swap with especially Mkize, an attack-minded player for 8. Cherino to keep it alive. And that's the ability to deal with Jose. Does well to get on the inside of Barnes. Opportunity for Atamaldo. Keeper does well, but can't save the second attempt. Schwacher. For somebody, this time it's not. Goal in this campaign with just 17 minutes left. That's how it was. It was Jose. Keeper did well there. But there was nothing he could do with the ricochet. Protected it from Abdallah. We'll go for checking, of course, just to make sure. Oh, we'll definitely go for checking up to this point. No shot on target for Bafana Bafana. Yes, they've dominated ball possession, but that doesn't win you games. Letapa strikes from a distance. Got blocked. Radio Pada can't bury it. Penalty, says the referee. That the player had his hand tucked in closer to his body, didn't make his body bigger. That's what that angle tells you. It is not a penalty. Check complete. I did say from that angle is Rafaela Kumalo. Now done well. Duba did everything, did all the spade work, just couldn't crown it in glory. And there's that move from Duba. Everyone on the bench up in arms.